I'm Cassie and this is Whitney from Interior Edit. We are so excited today. We are going to be talking to you guys about front porch styling.
Your front porch is the first thing people see when they approach your house. You want it to feel inviting and welcoming. So we are going to talk about ways to elevate your front porch, simple and on a budget.
So your first step is going to be choosing your rug. One option is going to be just your simple one mat, and you're going to want to make sure it fills in the doorway completely. We don't want to, scale is really important. You don't want it to be too small or it feels underwhelming. Another option is to layer.
We love the layered rug look.
Yes. We opt to choose like kind of a fun design. It adds some interest. So you're going to add that on first.
It adds so much texture and dimension to do two rugs. Make sure the bottom one is, quite a bit larger so you get to see a lot of it, and then a smaller rug on top. And just adding the rug already elevates the space. Obviously, plants on a porch add so much. We love a good plant. If you have flowers or plants you can keep alive, that is great. This is an excellent ground cover, so it's hardy and it will withstand the once in a while I forgot to water my plants. But if you're anything like me and you can't keep plants alive to save your life, we have some solutions for you. Fake plants have come so far. They look so good. I will say fake flowers are a little dicier. They don't usually look as good. They're harder to keep looking nice and they don't look as real. So a good fake plant or tree is awesome. And they have so many great ones online. Usually you can buy a handful. There's usually free returns. You want to check the color and the texture. But if you find the right one, nobody would know that they were fake. So if you're going to do a smaller bush, you want a taller pot. If you have a shorter pot that sits on the ground, then there's also excellent trees you can use. You just want to give height. Height and dimension make a huge difference. So there's great trees, and as long as you give them good dusting, no one has to know. Another tip when it comes to either fake plants or real plants, there's great covering so you don't see what's happening on the inside of the pot. There's lots of moss options, Spanish moss, green moss, or river rock, or even rock you find in your yard. Cover the top of it, and it just makes it look so much more clean and realistic.
Okay, another thing is to add a wreath. It adds so much dimension and style to your door. This is a eucalyptus wreath. It works great for all year round, but you can obviously switch them out seasonally. One tip is using a command strip to hang it. It doesn't damage your door, which is always great and renter friendly, and you're not gonna wanna hang it too low. So we're gonna go ahead and hang that. And the perfect finishing touch for your front porch.
Let's talk patio furniture. It can be a really fun addition to your front porch if done right. If you have a big porch, go crazy, but if it's smaller, we have a few tips for you.
One is to choose less furniture. We love like a beautiful bench. We opt for metal or woods that are meant to be outside, add a couple accent pillows, and it looks great. We hope this helps. As you can see, it doesn't take much to make your front porch look beautiful.
And stay tuned for more rental-friendly design tips.